Sanibona bafethu, fukhuluma ngale lose 1-1 kwabanye iwin bebekhuluma bekhuluma kade benza ama-interviews. We thank God bantu right. For us it's a lose bafethu. Sundowns idrophile ama-points again. Ukuba siwinile le game ngabe sikhulume ngento. Approach coach perfect for me. Bengikhala ngombuthuma kuphela because ucoach ngifila ngazi abadlali bethu uyaba expose wrongly, like uyabafaka egibeni. Let me say like that. Umbuthuma looked relaxed. I was happy ukumbona egundi ikhathi. For me it's important. Ikhathi uyambona ukuthi okay, even i-jersey attackile in, like he's more comfortable. Ama-handshake, even ama-movements abawenza ground, you're done boy, we're done. Nama-movements ubuwenza the hard work. But I'm just saying ukuthi proven Makgopa does better kumadabi than Umbuthuma. Okay, siqala ke ku-approach yethu bafethu. Thina sihlala ibhola njengamanje elingenayo ingqondo, like asinayo umuntu ocabangayo other than Umbatha. Tried it, Umbatha ubeyizama kodwa game ngimbonile even uCash. So igame iyaqala 1 minute up, okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3 uMoremi wenza impact, ibhola iyaphuma gijima la. Well done to i-team. I-attitude yalama players bafethu is very good. Okay, i-Chiefs kuba khona isibhudebhude where they feel like mhlawumbe khona into abangayithola and then uCash bathi guys calm down. Yabo, you could see ukuthi Chiefs itargetile abadlali bethu, like they were playing anti-football tactics. Bebedlala ngo-man to man, not just man to man, but bebelimaza abadlali bethu. And vele kumadabi yona into enza babe ngconywana kuba ngathi badlalile next game bese baluza because abondlovu uzobotha okay, there's nothing here. Utsheliwe ukuthi go and kick umdlali. We are a professional player. Mhlawumbe ubheke ungena kubafana, but what yini lento oyenzayo, yini lento sibukisayo. It just shows us ukuthi Chiefs legs angazi ngathini, they have downgraded themselves in a way ukuthi bodlala idabi game ubuye kanje bedlala ngam-anti like tactics bazojabulela i-draw ngale ndlela. Asingene ngibhakabhaka bafowethu, igoli lethu silikore kanjani? Silikore ukuthi i-left wing back yethu Hotho and the short usibelebele enze goal. Iyakutshela ukuthi i-team yethu ayikho coached properly. Awukwazi ukuba nama young backs attack two same time, and then ukhipha i-holding midfielder. Usho ukuthi i-rest defense ayikho. Ikore kanje i-Bay, ikore on the right i-Bay where uHotho ayihambile. Waqhamuka i-close on the right, ladla igoli lufana lo uGumede washaya phakathi. Same thing yenza le namhlanje. uSibisi uphethe ibhola likuyena ukuthi aliphasele ama-midfielders ukuze ama-midfielders aphase ibhola forward aliprogress. No, uyaliphusha u-attack ispace. Yes, basho njalo vele ukuthi okay, uma ubona ispace attack part uyi last man bra, u-attack ispace. Okay, kwenzeka imistake ibhola saliluza lapha ku-rail. What happens? I'm expecting ukuthi uNemtanjela njengamanje he will run back ukuze like he will run back ukhavela uSibisi because Umbatha ubeseyokhavelile vele ubeseyokhavela uHotho. Into ayenzayo uNemtanjela ushaya is-left attack, ibhola dlala wide, there's no problem. Lo muntu ugadiwe Umbatha ushaya is-left attack then kuzobuyela emuva. How many mistakes uNemtanjela awenzile losing the ball? Yes, nabantu babantu nathi singama-fans awukwazi ukwenza iphutha eli-1 njalo. Ungene egamini boy, you looked very casual with amafala unnecessary. I-Chiefs le game went down to Abongile Tom. Le game befanele ibe nama-red card. Went down to him ukumanager i-game because ngokwe-Chiefs le game bengafanele idlale, befanele ukuthi umdlalo kuthiwa foul ukuze yehle i-momentum. Wena Nemtanjela uboni ngaphandle ukuthi okay, uShabalala ubhekele, guide him ebhekele wenza i-foul. Now njengoba ulokhu wenza ama-foul, abantu laba bayabelieve the more wenza i-set piece kusho ukuthi we must all check back so defend. While is defender bageje kumele siqale phansi. Uma mele siqale nigadiwe nimoke abantu abawu4 asakwazi ukuphuma ibhola sithola usibisi phambili seliyabuya. Chiefs vele ihappy ngithi thina sifuna iwin. I-policy plays with momentum. Okay, ngiyavumelana nokuphuma kwaCash ngoba he looked very uncomfortable cause iChiefs ibipressure high. Angivumelani kodwa nokufaka uNemtanjeni. Some games adinga mpethu abodlamini, some proper number 8, some games adinga abombule as a holding ukuphuma kwi-high press because iChiefs behluleka ukubreaka kuDlovu uDuba sihluleka ukuthola umfukengi benopolice of which into abayifunini ukuvala isupply. As a coach ufaka uNemtanjeni who has been proven to us ukuthi he can pass forward, he can akanayo i-confidence umbani. I'm not saying he's a bad player but basically bihlala ngombatha kuphela. Okay, seyiqhubeka igame equalizer. Why you keep our police again? Why you keep our police again? Umile umuntu osicabangelayo leya. Now into ithi ke if ubuka iBafana noma ubuka iPirates, opolice uyele umuntu wenza iplan ethi mina angangakona mhlawumbe njalo but iplan isuka kuyena. Le thuba lambuthuma livele phi kuApolice. uApolice ukola on the right kodwa mama na nebhokisi. What he does ngokulimala kwaMorem, uthatha uMasangayo umenza i-right forward, uthatha uApolice umbuya ka left, uthatha umfukeng umbeka as a more like a number 10 but a second striker. Guys, how are we supposed to score? uApolice umuntu okude ngokwenza ama-first time passes noma ama-first time goals. Now umfeka ka left kumele aqale akhathe in, akwazi ukubhekana nama 1v1. Why? Because you could see ukuthi umfukengi uNdlovu uhamba nomfukengi man to man and iplan yePirates ikora direct. Why umfukengi angayi on the left so that uNdlovu ezovuleke center si overload ka left umfukengi benoHotho. At least uHotho unespeed engakwazi ukupenetrate uNdlovu asuwela ku-traffic. If uNdlovu esuka ku-traffic umbatha uzoba nendlela yokuprogressa noma uNemtanjeni sithole uMakgopa. Now you couldn't find uMakgopa because ayikho indlela yokudlula phambili because uNdlovu umile lapha nomfukengi. We can't be beating ngama-tactics coach like asikwazi. Okay, he takes out uApolice ufaka uHotho. Sifuna ukuphuma ngana manje ke. If mhlawumbe siyi-team edlala ilo block, you can do that. Sidlale undaba benoHotho because siphuma ngespeed. But dlala nge-team ehlele emuva. Uzofaka bani undaba uthi hayi move. iChiefs ayinayo i-striker esigijimayo phambili. Thina into lapha ebemele siyenze bemele sihlale nge-back 3. If uSibelebele ahambe, uSibelebele must go up, hlale nge-back 3. If uHotho hamba, uSibelebele must stay, hlale nge-back 3. Sibe nombatha la is a number 6 because ubezephumile uCash, uNemtanjeni must progress forward or ahlale uNemtanjeni. In that way, uSibisi uma ngabe phethe into eqala ayicabanga ukuphasa uNemtanjeni bese uSibisi relax. And I was so disappointed kuSibisi umdlalo ospense kanje getting frustrated. Igame iqala useshaya phansi naleya foul leyenzile. Befanele agade uLilepo abhekele amgada amshide yena ufuna ufaka unyawo because uyabona ukuthi siyahlatshwa. But urefa kakhuluma. As a captain boy, you supposed to calm a team down. Gents, you can see ukuthi us labantu bahlaba. Make sure ukuthi uyaziprotecta ibhola ugcini and nawe umuntu for unyawo liphelele. When as a last man awukwazi uku-overcommita uma ke-striker sokugcina. Guide him better abhekele noma create a small foul, delay ibhola i-team ibuyele emuva bafethu. We go on to the next one, but coach, be careful. And igame ezayo singayiwina ngama-game awu-3 wrongly because siya over attack us now in this defense. I was watching it down to bafethu. They are controlling the tempo of the game. Thina sihamba ngespeed one way. We are going back to the Pirates. Hey, Ivani overtake nje. We're done with as consider manje ngama-set piece. We're done to a team. But as long as any control, come and make the feeders. Danko.